Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. I'm just doing this a real quick video to throw up. I got obviously a seminar going on behind me. Carolyn is from Carolyn's RV Life is doing a seminar on boondocking, and I got questions and answers, and so I'm not sure you're going to be able to hear me at all. I hope so. But I'm just going to swing you around a little bit and let's just see the crowd size, and then I'm going to show you some drone footage. There are, I think the official estimates right now are 2,500, but I think it's closer to 3,000 to 4,000, and we're having a great time. Everyone's just, you know, just been really good. I wish you were here. Okay, I'm going to swing around, let you see the size of the crowd, and I will call this a done deal. So here is Carolyn. She is speaking. She's listening to a question right now. But look at all these people around her. I mean, there are people everywhere, all around her. Let me zoom out. That's a little too close.
Thank you. So we want to make sure we protect our public lands, basically. I don't want to get into politics. There was, yes, the gentleman in the back, yes, with the hat. Okay, will do. Thank you. Please repeat the question.
Lots of people. I mean, and this is just the people that come to the seminars. A lot of people are not coming to the seminars.
To try to use established fire pits. Don't build new ones. I can't tell you how many campgrounds I've gone to with three fire pits. Why? Really? You couldn't just move your chair over here? Again, it's just about lessening our impact on the environment. Trying to, I don't know, not make it look like 5 million people have been there building 5 million fire pits. So again, yeah, you can leave the ashes there. And everything that I read said you need to double check with any fire restrictions. In National Forest, I forgot to mention that, permits. In National Forest, you do have to have a fire permit. And I know, being a Californian, doing it during the drought, there were summers that we weren't allowed to have fires at all. But for National Forest, you do have to obtain a fire permit before you have a fire. Do you need one in BLM? You don't need one in BLM land. But it's a good idea to check with the local fire restrictions just to see what's going on. And I think wilderness areas also, you don't need a fire permit, but most people hike into wilderness areas. You're not really going to be driving into them. Permits as far as camping. You don't need permits on BLM land unless you're us, unless you're a giant group. You don't need permits in most national forests. Some of the utility districts, some of the state forests, some of the...
Okay, so just a quick look around to show you what's here, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. We're having a great time. I wish you were here.